Today we have a thought-provoking topic to explore: death by burning from a Quranic perspective. Join us on this journey as we delve into the Quran to gain insights into this historical phenomenon. In the Quran, the holy book of Islam, there are references to fire as a powerful symbol. It holds both spiritual significance and serves as a reminder of the consequences of wrongful actions. Before we dive deeper into the Quranic references, let's understand the gravity of this topic. Death by burning, as mentioned in various historical accounts, has been used as a form of punishment in different cultures throughout time. In the Quran, Allah warns against spreading corruption and causing harm to others. The concept of hellfire serves as a vivid depiction of the consequences for those who commit heinous acts and oppress others. Quran 17:16. And when we intend to destroy a city, we command its affluent, but they defiantly disobey therein. So the word comes into effect upon it, and we destroy it with complete destruction. Quran 18:29. And say, the truth is from your Lord, so whoever wills, let him believe, and whoever wills, let him disbelieve. Indeed, we have prepared for the wrongdoers a fire whose walls will surround them, and if they call for relief, they will be relieved with water like murky oil, which scalds their faces. Wretched is the drink, and evil is the resting place. Quran 4:56. Indeed, those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire. Every time their skins are roasted through, we will replace them with other skins, so they may taste the punishment. Indeed, Allah is ever exalted in might and wise. As we ponder upon these Quranic references, we can understand that the purpose of such descriptions is to warn humanity against wrongdoing, and to remind us of the importance of seeking righteousness and compassion in our actions. Let us remember that Islam promotes mercy, justice, and forgiveness. The Quran encourages believers to seek guidance and to always choose the path of goodness and righteousness. In the modern world, where we witness numerous forms of injustice and oppression, it is crucial for us to advocate for human rights, compassion, and empathy. By understanding the lessons taught in the Quran, we can strive to build a more just and equitable society for all. As we conclude our exploration of death by burning from a Quranic perspective, let us take these teachings to heart and strive to be compassionate and just in our actions. May we all seek guidance from the Quran to become better individuals and contribute positively to the world. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like and share it with others. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon to receive more inspiring content rooted in the teachings of the Quran.
Subscribe us on YouTube. Educate yourself with Islamic knowledge. Just Urdu English Quran translations available on our page.